Hello everyone, welcome to Taksha by MeroSiksha. I'm Sharma and I'm here with another writing section today. So in this writing section, we'll be discussing about the guided writing. So you'll be provided the question, and the question reads somehow like, your parents have recently started a restaurant business that offers varieties of typical Nepali dishes and prepare a menu for a restaurant. So you are asked to prepare a menu for a restaurant. So these sorts of questions usually appear in question number 5. So being based on the question, you are supposed to do your assignment. So here the question has asked us to prepare a typical menu for the typical Nepali dishes. So you have a restaurant and you're supposed to offer varieties of Nepali dishes. So here, as you are asked to provide Nepali dishes, you're supposed to note it down. You are supposed to brainstorm what can be the Nepali dishes that can be placed in a menu of your restaurant. So you will, first of all, you'll be discussing, you will be making sure that you include about the appetizers like snacks and all, and then you'll be also indicating something that something like something soups and all, and then of course you should not be leaving behind the main course. You should be also indicating the main course, because in a restaurant of course the people will be there for the main course as well, and then the side dishes along with the main course that you are supposed to serve, and then the beverages of course. So and the end, you'll be ending with the desserts. So I don't think it would be quite hard for you guys to create a menu. So but you just have to make sure that in the menu you are supposed to include only the Nepali dishes. So first of all, let us begin with the appetizers. So in the appetizers, you may write down about the momos, and then the varieties of the momos that will be available in your restaurant, and then the chatamari and the varieties of the chatamarис like chicken chatamari, buffalo, egg, veg, and then another can be aloo sadeko, and then also choila and all. So moving on to the another part, that is soup. You are also supposed to mention about what sorts of soup you'll be providing. So you'll be providing thuppa, so egg thuppa or the chicken thuppa or the veg thuppa, and also in the soup we may include gundruko jol. So you should be very clear that whenever the menu should be reflecting the Nepali dishes, Nepali culture. And then coming to the main course, so the main course, make sure that the main course must include the varieties of the Nepali dishes, because your restaurant is supposed to be known for the Nepali dishes. So in the main course, you are supposed to include the major dishes that represents the Nepali food. So first and foremost, you will be including dal bhat tarkari, 24 power and all, and then the another food that sets the identity of the Nepali dish is thakali thali set. And you are also supposed to include the name of the items that you are supposed to provide, and then types of thakali set, so chicken, mutton, veg, and then another would be Nevari Khaja set. So you are also supposed to indicate the items that you will be providing, and then other things that you think that it includes in the Nepali dishes, so like aloo tama bodi, yamari and all. So moving on to the next, you'll be talking about the side dishes afterwards. So in the side dishes, you'll be offering sag, you'll be offering pickle and the variety, and also if you are offering varieties, you'll be including it over here, and then the papad and all. So along with it, you'll also be discussing about the beverages that will be available in your restaurant, that is lassi, chia, tongba, cold drinks. So make sure that the items that you include will reflect the Nepali identity. And also desserts, in the desserts you'll be talking about the sal roti, kheer, juju dhau or the normal dhau and all. So whenever you are asked to prepare a menu, make sure you read the question properly. That is, here in our menu we are supposed to include the varieties of typical Nepali dishes. So being based on the question, you are supposed to create, you are supposed to create it in a format that is available in a restaurant. So I guess I made you guys clear. Thank you.